How many PC case fans do I need? Superb 4 things that you need to know about this work rift. The airflow within your gaming PC is controlled by the case fans. This raises the question of how many case fans are required. A minimum of 2 case fans are required. The first is for bringing cold air in, intake, while the second is for bringing heated air out, exhaust. The CPU requires the greatest cooling, followed by the GPU. The majority of builds have their components centered, with the exhaust behind the PC and the intake near the drive bay. The majority of the heat will be quickly blown out and replaced by cooler air from the front of the case. Your components should be between 50 and 70 degrees Celsius. It would be much better if you could keep it lower, and it would undoubtedly help your gaming PC live longer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.